Okay, we're going to give you a quick peek at the 2016 car show that we're having here at our Festival of Stars. And how you doing today?
Good. How you doing, brother?
All right, you got it looking good here.
Thanks, sir.
Old Bel Air. Okay. '54 Chevy Bel Air. All right, Turbo 400. Very nice, very nice. And we have old and new cars here at the car show. We're going to work our way down just so you get a feel for what's out here. And got a lot of great looking stuff out here. Back up so you can get a good picture of it. Camaro SS 376. Yes. It's real good. Like I said, we have a variety of old and new down here. A lot of great looking vehicles though. Great condition, as you can see. Dodge Challenger. '92 Hemi. I see somebody trying to sneak up behind me and run me over, and I got him on video. So if I get hit, that's the guy that did it. Y'all doing all right? Good. Oh, old vet here. Nice and shined up. Looks good. Looks like about 65, I would figure. Looks like he's in great condition. There's a lot of really, really nice vehicles down here. How you doing? All right. Okay. There's a Ford Bronco. Jacked up pretty good, nice and shined up. Not sure what year it is, but it looks good. That's a lot of custom detailing down here. A lot of really great vehicles for you to see.
1, 2, check. Check. Check.
I guess you got the little mechanic down here still working on this car. Old Chevy truck. That's once again in great condition. They put a lot of work into this. All right, got some nice vehicles out here today. Really nice. Oh yeah, it ain't cheap, that's for sure. Original lowrider. So a lot of great vehicles out here. A lot of work went into them, and as the guy said, a lot of money. Custom paint jobs, motor work, restoring. A lot of time. A lot of money, a lot of effort, sweat and blood to get these vehicles right for the car show. That's it, just trying to give you a quick wrap up of what they have out here today. in case you don't make it. Maybe you'll come next year. And I'll come check it out. How y'all doing?
Awesome.
So a lot of work went into this custom woodwork. Oh yeah. Great looking vehicle. Old Chevy truck. Restored. There's another lowrider. Oh man. Sparkle paint on the and you can see the interior is done very well. Restored. Fantastic job on this. We got another vet here. And still a few cars rolling in. Ooh, now this is the okay. Yes, indeed. It's another vet. The Cobra. Oh no, that's a Cobra. Okay, Ford Cobra. Boy, that's going back. How you doing?
They just got that big flip tall off of it.
Ford Cobra. Okay. 427. All right. I was mistaken. I thought it was a vet, but they look so similar. Another really nice looking Mustang here.